Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. If you're in the market for the best bread toaster convection countertop, you're in for a treat today. We're checking out the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster, part of their Fits Anywhere kitchenware line. It's compact, it's stylish, and it's built to perform far beyond its size. Let's break down exactly what makes this toaster a countertop hero. The first thing you'll notice is the slim profile. At just 3.58 inches deep and under 7 inches tall, it's a space-saving dream. Whether you live in a small apartment, a dorm, or just want to keep your countertop clutter-free, this fits just about anywhere. The color I've got here is called Blossom, a soft, pastel pink that adds a fresh, modern aesthetic to any kitchen setup. It's built with a combination of plastic and stainless steel, giving it both durability and a lightweight feel. Now let's talk about functionality. What sets this toaster apart is the single 10-inch long slot. Unlike traditional 2-slot toasters, this single, elongated design lets you toast 2 slices of bread side by side, or larger pieces like sourdough, baguettes, or even Texas toast without trimming them down. And if you ever need to stop the cycle mid-toast, there's a cancel button right up front. There's also a reheat function, which is perfect for warming up without over-toasting. Bella clearly paid attention to the little things. For one, the high lift lever is an underrated gem. It pops the toast high enough so you won't be fishing out English muffins with a fork, no more burnt fingertips. Then there's the removable crumb tray. It slides out easily, making cleanup quick and painless. Combine that with the built-in cord wrap underneath, and you've got a machine designed to stay neat and tidy even in daily use. And let's not forget the safety touches. An anti-jam feature and auto shut-off give you peace of mind if you're the type to multitask in the kitchen. Let's test it out. I've got a slice of thick sourdough and a standard piece of sandwich bread. Both fit side by side without squeezing. I'm setting it to level 4 for a medium toast. Fast forward a bit. And there you have it, crispy edges, warm center, and an even golden finish across both pieces. The toasting was quiet, quick, and consistent, thanks to the 900-watt power behind the scenes. The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster isn't just stylish, it's smartly designed, space-conscious, and versatile enough to handle almost any kind of bread you throw at it. For $24.99, it's a compact powerhouse that delivers performance and convenience without compromise. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews just like this. Catch you in the next one.